A lot of you might be confused at whether you should learn website development or Android development. What are the things that you should have in your mind before choosing any one of those? Hey everyone, I am Samvas, and in this video I will be giving you the clarity that whether you should choose website development or Android development. Watch this video till the very end and do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also press the bell button to get all the videos notification. So the first thing which you should keep in your mind is system requirements. Website development is one of those things which you can do in very minimum system requirements. Like website development आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा simple computer, simple laptop, like 4 GB का RAM, 1 TB HDD. You don't need to have any SSDs or any graphic cards or anything. You just need a simple laptop जहाँ पे आपका वेब ब्राउज़र चल रहा हो, उस लैपटॉप में बस एक नोट पैड होना चाहिए एंड आप उस लैपटॉप पे वेबसाइट डेवलपमेंट कर सकते हो. बट on the other hand, if you are trying to or if you want to learn Android development, you need to have a good laptop, a laptop with good specs. If you don't know what are the specification which you should look for in your laptop, then you should go and watch my laptop buying guide. Then you will find the link in the I button and also in the description. You will also see my laptop recommendation. I have made a separate video for that in which I have guided you, I have suggested you 5 laptops which are value for money and you can consider buying those laptops. Coming to the point, for Android development, you need to have a good laptop, a laptop with good specification. You need to have at least 8 GB of RAM and SSDs so that आपका Android Studio अच्छा से रन कर पाए. Like Android Studio चलने के लिए ही 8 GB का RAM बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होता है. I can say this because I have done this Android development in my old laptop. Right now I am using this HP Pavilion laptop. I'll be giving you the review for this laptop in the near future. But talking about my experience, I have done my Android development in my old laptop in which there was only 4 GB का RAM and उसमें Android Studio चलने में ही बहुत टाइम लगता था. Like Gradle build होने में I used to sit for 30 minutes to do all the tasks like आपका Android Studio start होना and then Gradle build करना, सारे packages को install करना. So that was a very cumbersome task to do on that laptop. But right now when I'm using this laptop, everything seems like fluid, like पानी जैसा चलता है and बहुत ही आराम से सारे काम हो जाते हैं. सो इफ़ यू आर कंसिडरिंग एंड्रॉयड डेवलपमेंट देन यू नीड टू हैव अ गुड लैपटॉप. बट इफ़ यू हैव ओनली अ लैपटॉप विथ सिंपल स्पेक्स देन यू कैन do website development. Now talking about languages. If you want to learn website development, then you need to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript. There are also very different languages like Node.js and Express.js and all those things, but they are the frameworks of JavaScript. So if you will learn JavaScript, then that will be enough. So learning website development is quite easier than learning Android development because Android development में आपको Java सीखना पड़ता है and even to make simple Android application you need to learn Java, XML and various things. अगर आपको एक सिंपल हेलो वर्ल्ड का वेब पेज बनाना है देन आप सिंपल जा सकते हो, .html फाइल क्रिएट कर सकते हो एंड कुछ टैग्स में लाइक कुछ HTML टैग्स में आपका वो बनकर तैयार हो जाएगा. बट इफ़ यू आर चूजिंग एंड्रॉयड डेवलपमेंट देन आपको जावा आना ज़रूरी है एंड यू नीड टू लर्न जावा. बट अगर आप इसके ब्राइट साइड में देखें तो आप जावा सीख के आप अपने प्लेसमेंट को आसान कर सकते हैं. लाइक इफ़ यू आर एन इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट, I have talked this in my Android development video. You can watch that video in the I button. So let me just tell you a quick brief about that in this video that if you will learn Java then that will help you in your placements. Like आप Java में DSA कर सकते हो जो आपके placement में help कर रहा होगा and at the same time आपको एक अलग से language नहीं सीखना पड़ रहा होगा Android development के लिए. But अगर आप website development करते हो तो वो सीखना थोड़ा आसान रहेगा but आपको एक अलग से language करना पड़ेगा. Like कंपनीज में यूज़ होता है but companies don't consider that language while setting you in the placement. So now the next thing, and that is resources and learning curve. Like I just said earlier that if you want to build a basic website then you can do it just by writing simple tags of HTML in a notepad with .html syntax. But if you want to create an Android application, a very simple Android application जिसमें सिर्फ hello world दिख रहा होगा, उसके लिए भी आपको एक पूरा Gradle build करना पड़ेगा, Android Studio को सेटअप करना पड़ेगा and a hell lot of tedious work to do. So getting into website development is a lot easier than getting into Android development. And if we talk about the resources, then also website development के बहुत ज़्यादा resources available हैं. Like Android development के भी हैं, but there is a large quantity of resources available for website development as compared to the Android development. So अगर हम इस पर्सपेक्टिव से देखें तो वेबसाइट डेवलपमेंट यहाँ पे एक एज लेके चला जाता है that if you want to get into something get into development, then website development is a lot more easier than Android development. Now the next thing is demand versus supply. Web development was started in 1990s, so there is a lot more demand of this skill, but also there is a lot more saturation in the market. Like आप खुद सोचो, एक स्किल जो 1990s में स्टार्ट हुआ था, लोगों ने करना स्टार्ट किया था उस चीज़ को, आज के डेट में कितने सारे लोग कर रहे होंगे इस चीज़ को. ऑब्वियसली द डिमांड इज़ हायर बट ऑल्सो द सप्लाई इज़ मच हायर. सो अगर आप वेबसाइट डेवलपमेंट करते हो तो आपको फ्रीलांसिंग जॉब मिलना आसान हो जाता है, बट एट द सेम टाइम उस जॉब में आपके साथ compete करने के लिए और भी बहुत सारे लोग होंगे, बिकॉज देयर इज अ सैचुरेशन इन द मार्केट. So now talking about Android development, it was started in 2008, so there is a less demand as compared to website, but also there is a less amount of saturation in Android development market. Why I am saying that website development has more demand? Because like आप खुद सोचो, एक स्मॉल बिजनेस, एक स्मॉल शॉप ओनर, एक स्मॉल शोरूम का ओनर भी एक अपना खुद का वेबसाइट बनाता है, बट टू मेक एन एप्लीकेशन दे नीड टू हैव अ यूजर बेस, दे नीड टू हैव समवन हु कैन डाउनलोड देयर एप्लीकेशन फ्रॉम प्ले स्टोर. सो बहुत कम लोग एप्लीकेशंस बनवाते हैं, बट वेबसाइट बहुत ही सारे लोग बनवाते हैं आज के डेट में. सो देयर इज़ अ डिमांड in that field, but also there is a saturation, so you can just choose that what you need to do. But keeping all of this aside, and let's just look at the numbers of US Bureau of Labor and Statistics, and it says that website development is tend to grow at the rate of 13% or 12% in the next decade, like from 2020 to 2030. But on the same hand, Android development is tend to grow at the rate of 22% in this decade. So as you can just see that Android development का अभी भी पीक आना बाकी है, एंड एंड्रॉयड डेवलपमेंट में डिमांड बहुत ही ज़्यादा ग्रो करने वाली है. सो यू कैन जस्ट चूज इन दिस एंड दैट्स टोटली ऑन योर डिसीजन दैट व्हाट यू वांट टू डू. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट सैलरी, द एवरेज सैलरी ऑफ वेबसाइट डेवलपर इन इंडिया इज 3.1 lakh per annum. But on the other hand, if we talk about Android developers, then their average salary is 3.76 lakh per annum. So you can just see the salary differences in both website development and Android development. Now I have given you all the things that you should keep in your mind. If you go for my suggestion, then I would suggest you that you should go for Android development. Like अगर आपके पास एक अच्छा लैपटॉप है, एक अच्छा स्पेक्स वाला लैपटॉप है, then you should go for Android development. And अगर आपके पास एक simple laptop है and you don't want to invest a large sum of money in buying a laptop right now, then you should just go for website development and start earning money. If you want to know about website development and Android development in more detail, then I have pinned the link in the description. You can go and check that out. I hope you gained some value from this video, and I hope that I was able to solve your confusion about whether you should choose website development or Android development. And if you like this video, then please hit the like button. Please share this video with your friends and family. Also, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to get all the videos notification. This is it for this one. I will see you in the next one. Till then, have a good day.